Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present about the market and stock analysis. So our group member will be me myself, Nora Shikin binti SARIMAN, Nabilah Afiqah binti Noor Iskandar, Noor Adibah binti Ramli, and Noor Hidayah binti Muhammad Kamil. So the first thing we're going to present is about the market performance. The FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI, also known as the FTM KLCI, is a major stock market index which tracks the performance of 30 largest companies by full market capitalizations listed on the main board of the Bursa Malaysia. It is a free float minimum of 15% capitalization weight stock market index. The KLCI index has a base value of 100 as of January 2, 1977. Currently, the index score of KLCI is moving around the range of support and resistance of 1508.45 and 1532.87 respectively. If the price managed to break the resistance, it is not impossible for the price to go up until 1547.90. On 2021, Malaysian government has implemented the Trade Movement Control Order, that is MCO, on 3 June 2021. This may cause the FBM KCI to go up, as we can see on the second MCO. The stock market has break the record of daily stock traded. This is because people have more time to trade during the MCO. This may repeat the same movement of stock market. In addition, Yang di-Pertuan Agong, Sultan Abdullah Sultan Ahmad Shah has declared a state of emergency to curb the spread of COVID-19. On top of this, it will make no policy activity. This may cause the politics to be stable, and this will make the stock free market free from the systematic risk of unstable political situations. This will help the stock market to continue to surge in the future.
Next is the industry performance. The technology sector is the category of stocks relating to research, development or distribution of technologically based goods and services. This sector contains business revolving around the manufacturing of electronics, creation of software, computers or products and services relating to information technology. The technology sectors offer a wide range of products and services for both customers and other businesses. Consumer goods like personal computers, mobile devices, wearable technology, home appliances, television, and so on are continually being improved to consumers with new features. This chart showed that the overall performance of the technology industry. The chart is showing an uptrend even though during the movement control order period. This shows that even there is a crisis occur in our country, the technology industry can still make a profit. Our predictions of technology industry in the future shows that it will continue the uptrend. From the chart, the industry index is at 82.73%. Thus, if the index breaks the 90% of the index industry, it will continue the uptrend because it has reached the 52 weeks high. Next slide. Next, I will explain on our first company analysis, which is Franken Corporation Berhad. Franken Corporation Berhad is a Malaysia-based investment holding firm. The company with its subsidiaries engage in provide surface and mechanical engineering solutions service a wide range of heavy industries such as oil and gas, power generation, semiconductors and marine industry. Next. Next is the fundamental analysis. Based on the financial report, the revenue for Franken Corporation Berhad increases from 327 million in 2018 to 368 million in 2020. The overall revenue trend for Franken Corporation Berhad Company is showing an increasing on the annual basis, even though there are some small fluctuations in the quarter result. In addition, Franken Company is able to keep up its profit following the revenue trend. Besides, the profit margin for this company keeps on increasing on yearly basis, which indicate that this company has become more efficient over the past year. Based on the 2021 quarter first result, if things goes the same way, it is projected that Franken will be able to produce revenue value of 414 million based on the one-sided calculation. The return on asset for Franken is 14.46%, which is the highest compared to last 5 years. This shows that this company has become more efficient in generating its profit through utilization of assets. Meanwhile, the return on equity of Franken is 20.07%, also is the highest among the last 5 years. This shows that Franken company ensure that they are utilize the equity in order to generate profit. Next, next, uh, based on the financial report, the EPS for Franken Corporation Berhad is 0.05. The positive EPS in the company shows that this company is able to generate strong profit per unit share. Besides, the current value is higher than previous year, which means that this company has shown an improvement in their profitability performance. The NTA Franken is 0.40, while the market value is 3 ringgit 3 sen. This shows that Franken is currently overvalued. Based on the fundamental analysis above, even though Franken Corporation is showing a well performance throughout, but the company is undergoing a overvalue. Therefore, this company is not suitable to be invested for a long term. Next. Next is the technical analysis. Based on the chart above, the support and the resistance of the stock is between 3.175 and 3.360. If the price managed to break the current resistance level, which is at 3.360, it may surge to the next range of the resistance, which is the second resistance. The highest level it may go is on the price of 3.610. It is possible if the price managed to break the second resistance. Conversely, if the price managed to break the support, which is at 3.175, it also may go down to 3.060 due to the economic crisis of COVID-19. The price may break the second support if there is a strong catalyst that may take the price lumps down. The trend line of this stock is sideways trend. If the price managed to break the current resistance level, which is at 3.360, it may change from sideways to uptrend trend. Conversely, if the price managed to break the support, which is 3.175, it may change from sideways trend to the downtrend line. Based on the graph above, using exponential moving average (EMA), Franken Corporation is showing a sell signal on 28 April 2021 and a showing buy signal on 5 July 2021. Our prediction is that the price will increase and break the second resistance in the future. Next, our second indicator that we use is the relative strength indicators, which is RSI. Based on the chart, the RSI shows a sell signal on 12 January 2021. This means that when the RSI goes above 70, it is an indication that the price will increase and break the second resistance. If the price managed to break the second resistance, it is an overbought signal. Next, we can move to our next company analysis.
Okay, next, JF Technology Berhad. JF Technology Berhad is an investment holding company. The company manufactures and trades electronic products and components. Its geographical segments include Malaysia, United States of America, Philippines, and others. It supplies test contacting solutions to the global semiconductor industry. It focuses on manufacturing and trading of test probes, including production, packaging, marketing, and distribution of its products, principally in Malaysia. Its product categories include high-performance rigid-style contact technology and high-current cantilever style. Its high-performance rigid-style contact technology products include Sigma 2 horizontal offset, Sigma 1 horizontal offset, and ETA 5 horizontal offset. Its high-current cantilever style products include alpha straight-through contact technology and gamma X direction offset contact technology. Other products include ETA5, Gamma, and ACMA. Its subsidiaries include J-Fong Technologies and JF Microtechnology. Okay, next, based on the financial report, the overall revenue trend for JF Technology Berhad Company is increasing on the annual basis, even though there are some small fluctuation in the quarter result. In addition, JF Technology Berhad also able to keep up its profit following their revenue trend. Besides, the profit margin for this company keep on increasing on yearly basis, which indicate that this company has become more efficient over the past year. Based on the quarter 3 of 2021 result, if this thing goes the same way, It is projected that Technology Berhad will be able to produce revenue value of 37.5 million. The return on asset for GF Technology Berhad is 17.84%, which is the highest compared to the last 3 years. It shows that this company has become more efficient in generating its profit through the utilization of the assets. Meanwhile, the return on equity of the GF Technology Berhad is 23.05%. It gives a signal that GF Technology Berhad is able to better explore their equity to generate profit. Okay, next, the earning per share for GF Technology Berhad Company value at 0.01 ringgit. This indicates that this company is also is able to generate strong profit per unit share. Besides, the current value of earning per share is higher than the previous 2 years, which means that this company has improved their profitability performance. Next, the next tangible asset for GF Technology Berhad Company is 0.12 ringgit, while its market value is 1 ringgit 45 cent. It shows that GF Technology Berhad Company currently is overvalued. This company is still giving dividend for its shareholder, but the value of dividend is quite low. The highest dividend is 0.02 ringgit per share, which is in the year of 2017. However, the value of dividend in the year of 2019 and 2020 are 0.005 and 0.015 respectively. Based on the above, based on the chart, JF Technology Berhad Company is performing well. In addition, this company is also a profitable company. Therefore, this company is suitable to be invested for a long time period. Okay, based on the chart, the support and resistance of this stock is between 1 ringgit 3 to 5 cent and 1.485 ringgit. If the price managed to break the current resistance level, which is 1.485 ringgit, it may surge to the next range of the resistance, which is second resistance. The highest level it may go is on the price of 2.045, which is the third resistance. It is possible if the price will break the third resistance. Conversely, if the price managed to break the support, which is 1.325 ringgit, it may go to 1.245 ringgit due to the economic crisis of COVID-19. The price may break the second support if there is a strong catalyst that may make the price slumps down. The trend line of the stock is sideways trend. If the price managed to break the current resistance level, which is 1.485 ringgit, it may change from sideways trend to the uptrend. Conversely, if the price managed to break the support, which is 1.325 ringgit, it may change from sideways trend to the downtrend line. Okay, based on the chart, using the exponential moving average indicator, GF Technology Berhad Company shows a sell signal in 18 February 2021, which is the red circle. It is because the closing price moving below the moving average. It shows when the blue line of the indicator is crossed above the pink line, and the green line is and also the indicator is moving above the candle. However, on the 5th July 2021, the indicator shows a buy signal, which is the green circle. It is because the closing price moving above the moving average. It shows when the blue line of the indicator is crossed below the pink line and the green line, and also the indicator is moving below the candle. So the prediction of this stock is the price is going up and possible to break resistance as the blue line of the indicator is still under the candle. The second indicator used in the chart is the relative strength index, which is RSI. It shows that the indicator already hit the overbought line when the RSI goes above 70 in the middle of the January 2021 until the end of the January 2021. It means that there is a sell signal. This also may lead the price to go down as well. However, the current RSI shows that the RSI is between 40 and 60. So the prediction for this stock is the price will go up and the RSI will go above 70 because the history will repeat itself.
The third stock is Emilius Holding Berhad. Emilius was formed in 2004 by a group of engineers who understood the key of ingredient to long-term success, which is passion and ambition. They are concerned about technology development and company management. They were referred back to undermined and sometimes rejected in pursuit of their goals. On the other hand, their passion was strong and their perseverance led them to a window of opportunity. Next. For fundamental analysis, according to financial report, MLS Holding Berhad general revenue trend is declining on a yearly basis. The results. For example, revenue expected to decline from 2018 to 2020. Moreover, MLS has been unable to maintain its profit in line with its revenue trend. Furthermore, this company profit margin has been declining year after year, showing that it has not gotten more efficient in the last year. If situation continues in the same way as they did in the first quarter of 2020, Emilius will be unable to produce some income. The
Ya,
return
terima
of
kasih ya
asset
pas ni
is
kakak lah ya.
ROA for Emilius in 2019 is negative 3.31%, which is worse than 2018. This shows that the company profit growth through asset use has become unsustainable. Meanwhile, Emilius return on equity is a negative 4.21%. This indicates that Emilius is unable to better use its equity in order to produce a profit. Next. According to the graph above, Emilius Holding Berhad earnings per share in 2018 was 0.01 ringgit, while earning per share in 2019 and 2020 was negative 0.01 ringgit. This suggests that the business is less lucrative and that there are insufficient earnings to give to shareholders. Next, Emilius Holding Berhad barely paid out of 0.2 thousand cent in dividends in 2018. Next. For technical analysis, support and resistance. Emilius Holding Berhad support and resistance lines are 0.810 ringgit and 0.920 ringgit. If the price can break over the present resistance level, it will likely go to the next support and resistance range. The price of 1.0 ringgit, which is resistance number 2, is the greatest level it may reach. If the price manage to break through the support, it may drop below 0.750 ringgit. The lowest support level ever recorded owing to the COVID-19 economic crisis. If there is a significant trigger that causes the price to fall down, the price may break support number 2. For the indicator, Emilius Holding Berhad yield chart using the exponential moving average, which is EMA, reveals that on 5 May 2021, the indicator showed a selling signal on the orange circle. However, on 14 June 2021, it indicated a purchase signal in the purple circle. Our forecast for this stock is that the price will rise since the stock primary trend line is sideways. The second signal is the second indicator is relative index, which is RSI, which we can see that has already crossed the oversold level on 5 February 2021. This indicates that the price will rise as well. Because of the RSI indicator, we believe the price of this stock will rise. Next.
Next, we are going to proceed to the next company, that is Unisem and Berhad. Next. Unisem and Berhad provides semiconductor assembly and test service in Malaysia. Unisem semiconductor packaging and test facilities are located in Ipoh, Perak, Malaysia. Unisem offers integrated suite of packaging and test services such as wafer bumping, wafer problem, wafer grinding, as well as range of lead frame and substrate integrated circuits packaging, wafer level, chip scale packaging, and radio frequency, analog, digital, and mixed signal test services. Its service include design, assembly, test, failure analysis, and electrical and thermal characterizations. Unisems also have factory locations in Kamil, South Wales, the United Kingdom, Chengdu, Batam, Indonesia, and Sunnyvale, California. Unisem was founded in 1989 and based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The company is listed on Bursa Malaysia under the main market. Next, uh, I'm going to present about the fundamental analysis. So based on the slide, we can see we have two return on asset and return on equity. So based on the financial report, the revenue for Unisem and Berhad decreased from 1.35 billion in 2018 to 1.12 billion in 2019 and increased to 1.29 billion. The overall revenue trend for Unisem and Berhad is showing an decreasing than increasing on the annual basis, even though there are some small fluctuations in the quarter result. In addition, Unisem and Berhad is able to keep up its profit following the revenue trend. Besides, the profit margin for this company is decreasing and increasing on yearly basis, which indicate that this company has become more efficient during 2020. Based on 2021 quarter one result, if things going the same way, it is projected that Unisem will be able to produce revenue value of RM 1,495.6. The return on asset (ROA) for Unisem is 2.05%, which is the highest compared to the last 3 years. This shows that this company has become more efficient in generating its profit through utilizations of assets. Meanwhile, the return on equity (ROE) of Unisem is 9.12%, also is the highest among the last 3 years. This shows that Unisem and Berhad has shown that they are utilize their equity in order to generate profit. Next. So for the fundamental analysis, that is earnings per share and also the dividend. Um, the EPS for Unisem and Berhad is 0.20. The positive EPS in a company shows that this company is able to generate strong profit per unit share. Besides, the current value is higher than previous year, which means that this company has shown an improvement in their profitability performance. The net tangible asset for Unisem is RM 2.477, while the market value is RM 7.840. This shows that Unisem is currently overvalued. Based on the fundamental analysis above, Unisem Berhad is showing a well performance. In addition, this company is also overvalued. Therefore, this company is not suitable to be invested for long term. Next. Okay, last but not least, for the technical analysis, based on the graph above, it shows 1 year performance of Unisem and Berhad. The first support line is at RM 7.445. Meanwhile, the second support line is at 6.810. The first resistance line is at the RM 8.515. Meanwhile, the second resistance line is at 8.90920. If the price managed to break the current resistance level, then it might surge to the next range of resistance. It is possible that the price will break the resistance number 2. Based on our predictions, the chart will not slumping because it shows a continuation pattern which is uptrend in a 1 year range. Based on the graph above, using exponential moving average, that is EMA, Unisem and Berhad is showing a sell signal on 4 March 2021 and showing a buy signal on 3 June 2021. Our prediction is that the price will increase and break the second resistance in the future. Next, the second indicator that we use is the relative strength indicators, that is RSI. Based on the chart above, the RSI shows a sell signal on 7 July 2021. This means that when the RSI goes above 75, it is an above line. Meanwhile, in 28 June 2021, the RSI shows a buy signal that indicates an oversold line which drops below 25.
For recommendation, we have decided to invest in JF Technology Berhad for the long-term period. We can observe that one company outperformed the other four. It indicates that the company's assets are growing. The financial structure of this company is definitely on the rise. This company profitability ratio is positive and its return on asset is growing, indicating that it can earn a solid profit with its asset. The same pattern may be seen in terms of return on equity. This company asset management ratio is also improving since the total asset turnover and inventory turnover ratio are also increasing. This demonstrates that this company is efficient and its asset used year after year. This company earnings per share are relatively typical with a value of 0.01 ringgit per share. The last one is that the dividend per share is rising. GF Technology Berhad is strong company that is performing well. Furthermore, this company is appropriate for long-term investment. In terms of technical analysis, this firm is mostly in the consolidation period. Based on the resistance, this firm can attain a market price of 1 ringgit of 485 cents. This is not unthinkable as the price has previously reached that level. We may conclude that JF Technology Berhad is the greatest long-term investment option. Thank you.